Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to play Fortnite. So once you've done downloading Fortnite on your Epic Games, you just want to go ahead and press on launch. That's about it. Or you could just go from quick launch and press on it, and that should launch the game immediately. And that's about it. I'm going to see you guys once I'm in game. Alright, so once you're in Fortnite, from here, you want to select the type of game you want to go, and I have no idea why it's in Discover. I just want to change that. So right now it's on duos. We can go with 0 build solo, so why don't we just go with that, and then you'll just want to press on play. That's about it. There's nothing else that you want to do. It's gonna go for matchmaking, and make sure your region is the region that you play in. Since I'm from Asia, it's gonna give me in Asia, and yeah, that's about it. Now once they find a game, it's gonna put you in that game. Until they find that game, you're gonna be in the lobby, looking at your character. You can go into your locker, edit if you want, like you can change up your character if you want, but other than that, there's nothing else you can do. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.